Hello everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to use VPN for Netflix. Okay, so as you know, there are lots of free VPNs that you can get or you can download on Google web browser. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you the advantage of having VPNs when you are an avid fan of Netflix. So let's just say you wanted to search a movie on Netflix and it's not available in your country, or let's just say your country restricted some movies, from other countries, something like that. So let's just say you want to download this Express VPN. This one is very good, but of course, you have to purchase, you have to pay for this. Okay, this is not for free. You have to pay if you have your credit card or your PayPal and other payment methods. So if you don't want to pay, all you have to do is to look for free VPNs like Proton VPN. So I have Proton VPN here. I have installed it already in my computer. So actually, this is what it looks like. I'm going to show you. Okay, so if I want to connect to Japan, to Netherlands, and to USA, which are the three countries for this VPN, all I have to do is to click that. And once I am connected to that specific country, I can watch the movies that are not available in my country. I can watch the movies that are or I can watch those movies that are restricted in my country. Also, I can watch the movies that are restricted to some specific country or available only on that specific country. Let's just say this movie is available only in Netherlands or USA, then I can connect my VPN to that specific country. And Netflix may be easily used abroad with the correct VPN. A new regional IP address from the nation where your selected server is located is assigned to you when you connect to a VPN. Also, Netflix uses the user's IP address to ascertain their location. So from its perspective, there is no difference between a user who is physically present in a particular country and the one who's using VPN to conceal their true location while visiting another nation. And that is why using VPN is recommended when you're watching Netflix. Let's just say if this movie is blocked in this country, then you can switch to another country. If this series or drama is available only in Asia, then you can connect to Asia, any countries in Asia. So it's very good to use VPN while watching Netflix. So once you are connected to a specific country where this movie is available, then if you're going to search it again, probably that movie is now available. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.